Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒾𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So I got this wig from Temu and I only paid $10 for this unit. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys, so I ain't gonna be talking that much, so make sure y'all pay attention to the little details, such as me reaching in this bag, this big long bag. So now I'm challenging myself to do a 5-minute video showing step-by-step of everything I do to install a wig. So y'all enjoy this 5-minute video, okay?
We'll never be maybe in magazines, but you still be my star, baby, cause in the dark, you can't see shiny cars, and that's when you need me there. With you I'll always share, because I have my heart, and we'll never be worlds apart. Maybe in magazines, but you still be my star, baby, cause in the dark, you can't see shiny cars, and that's when you need me there. With you I'll always share, because when the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took no promise to get out to the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. When the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took no promise to get out to the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Under my umbrella. Under my umbrella. Under my everything will never come in between. You're part of my entity, here for infinity. When the world has took its part, when the world has dealt its cards, if your hand is hard, together we'll mend your heart. Because when the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took no promise to get out to the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Under my umbrella. Under my umbrella. Under my umbrella. You can run into my arms. It's okay, don't be alarmed. Come into me. No distance in between our love. So gonna let the rain pour. I'll be all you need and more. Because when the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took no promise to get out to the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Under my umbrella.
And after that, there's nothing else to do. So let me just go on ahead and switch over. And there it is, you guys. Hey, I'm loving this unit. It's just something about this blind. It's like two different shades of blind. It's a light blind and it's a darker blind. And it's that ombre effect. Oh, y'all, baby, I'm feeling myself in this video. This wig is literally a 10 out of 10. I'm loving it. And can you tell? Your girl ain't do no baby hairs. And that's a shout out to my husband, because he was like, why would you do a unit without baby hairs? Bet. Don't challenge me, because baby, I'm gonna always win. So this unit did take heat, and I did cut a few layers in front. And clearly this did not take a long time to install. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. If you are new, you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. And that's it. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
When the sunshine will shine together, told you